Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for computator analysis. So ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for computator analysis, helping you gather information, identify trends and gain insights into the revealed strategies. Here are some ways to effectively use ChatGPT for this purpose. So you will just provide your company websites to know that against a competitor. So I will just simply copy it the website of my, and I want to know the competitor against my URL. So I will just simply paste it here and give them command to tell me top 3 competitor against this URL. And you will just tap on this, give them command to chat GPT, and you will see the top 3 competitor against Royal Tag in Pakistan fashions and apparel sectors, especially for men's clothing could be. So number one is competitor is Bonanza Saturangi, offers a wide variety of men's clothing including formal wear and casuals similar to Royal Tag range. Number 2 is Gul Ahmed, known for a diverse clothing collection including formal and semi-formal shirts, pants and accessories. And number third is Junaid Jamshed, and offers a wide range of men clothing including suits, casual wear and traditional attire similar to Royal Tag's offering. So that's it. So this is, you can just use ChatGPT for competitor analysis. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.